Hello students, this is your course on digital marketing basics. In this video on important terms in digital marketing, we are going to be discussing the term HTML. Now, HTML is a very commonly known and used terminology amongst developers, designers, and even those who are not really into the profession or anything to do with web development are still aware of this particular terminology. So, what does it mean? HTML is hypertext markup language, which is a global standard for creating web pages. So, simply put, this is a computer language which is used for web designing, web development. It allows for structuring sections, headings, paragraphs, images, and links on a given page, and is usually supported by layout related information in cascading style sheets, also known as CSS. Now, a single website can have several HTML pages at the same time, which are readable on a web browser. So, if you get an HTML file, it will definitely open up in a web browser only for you to be able to read it. Now, each HTML page has tags or elements, or they are sometimes also called attributes, that structures the content, or how the content will be placed, how it will look, what size, what font will it follow. Below, you can see there is a snippet of how HTML code looks like, and the div stands for division, which is a broad category of content as is defined in HTML. Then the main heading is encased by the tag H1. Then the subheading is encased by the tag H2. Then the paragraph is encased by the tag P. Then any image is encased by the tag img. Then you have, if you have any hyperlink, any link placed on the web content, then that is also encased by hyperlink tagging. Now, as digital marketers, even though you may not have any technological background, you are required to understand basic terminologies of HTML, majorly because as you will grow in this career, you will be handling team of designers and developers who will be talking in this lingo. In fact, it has become so common that in normal content writing assignments or briefs also, digital marketing managers as well as content managers, they use H1 heading or H2 heading as like a very street kind of language wherein they expect any writer to understand it. And if you are writing for the web space, you are expected to understand it also. So, as a digital marketer, you need not concern yourself with the learning of the language necessarily, because as we discussed in the previous video about content management system, there are tools available out there which are open source, free, and cloud based mostly, that allow you to do editing of a web page, design of a web page, structuring of the web page, managing of the web page by the what you see, you get philosophy, and you don't really need to know the coding behind it. However, knowing the code can actually help you improve your overall designing process, and being aware of the basic tags and basic elements can help you better coordinate between your team and drive your overall marketing goals with a better efficiency. And that is why HTML knowledge or HTML understanding is important for digital marketing perspective. Now, in the next video, we will discuss about the term headings. We already discussed to a limited amount in this particular video. We'll get into it in a bit more detail. Until then, thank you.